This quick vegan chickpea curry with coconut milk and spinach is creamy, fragrant, and ready in about 25 minutes. You need chickpeas, onion, garlic and ginger, warm curry spices, chopped tomatoes, coconut milk, and a handful of fresh spinach. Fry the chopped onion and grated ginger in a little oil until soft and golden. Add cumin, coriander, garam masala, and turmeric and toast the spices until they smell fragrant. Stir in the drained chickpeas so they soak up all that golden spiced oil. Pour in the chopped tomatoes with a little sugar to balance the acidity. Add the coconut milk and simmer for about 10 minutes until the sauce is creamy. Stir through the fresh spinach until it wilts. Then finish with a squeeze of lime. Serve it over basmati rice with warm naan, fresh coriander, and a sprinkle of sesame. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!